My name is Ingar Byström, and I'm Director of Logistics at Brøderne Dahl. I've been working for the company for 25 years. For me, logistics is the most important element of our business. Brøderne Dahl is a technical retailer. We purchase goods from around the world, store them in our distribution center, and supply them to the Norwegian market in several different ways. Our challenge is that an increasingly large part of our production must now be processed more quickly between receipt of the order and its shipment. Therefore, we were looking for a technical solution that we could trust and that would make us more efficient. Also, the solution had to align with our business model and ensure the quality we need to deliver to our market. That's why we've decided to invest both in our distribution center and in new technologies. For us, and following social developments, it has also been important to focus on sustainability and the environment. Today, we generate fewer parcels than we did before and use less paper and packaging. We also have an automatic box sealer, which reduces the amount of air in the boxes so more parcels can be shipped out with fewer transports. Our project with small goods automation is much more than a technical project. It's oriented towards the future of Brøderne Dahl. Brøderne Dahl wants to develop further. We want to reach new markets, continue to grow, and that's why KNAPP is a very important partner for us. And we see a bright future ahead together with KNAPP. My name is Thomas Rønningen. I'm the Logistics Development Manager, and I've been working at Brøderne Dahl for 12 years. We process between 18,000 and 20,000 orders each day, with approximately 50% going through the solution provided by KNAPP. Our order process starts at goods in, where we receive the items. When they have been sorted and put into containers, they are stored in the Open Shuttle Evo system, where they remain until being picked for an order. Orders are picked either by the Pick It Easy robot or at one of the 3 Pick It Easy workstations. After the finished box has been closed, it receives a label indicating its content, and then either returns to the Open Shuttle Evo system awaiting its shipment, or is transported to the sorting system and then loaded onto a vehicle. We have installed a Pick It Easy robot. We believe in the AI technology that Silicon Valley startup Covariant and KNAPP have presented to us in their robot solution. Our experience with the Covariant Brain AI in collaboration with the Pick It Easy robot so far is that it learns extremely fast. It can pick items we previously thought were impossible to pick and places them at the optimal location in the box. Flexibility and scalability have been important for us in this project. And this is why we opted for an OSR Shuttle Evo. This approach permits to either add more shuttles to increase the performance or to extend the racks to increase capacity, or do both. This increases the service life of the installation and convinced us as customers that KNAPP wants to be a part of our future. Having KNAPP as a supplier means that we have a great, trustworthy, and reliable partner who wants to work with us and develop and grow alongside us.